Today, we're going to show you 6 of the best practices for using Google Optimize so you can easily run A/B tests, make improvements to your site, and grow your business faster. So coming up, we're going to be talking about the easiest way to connect your site to Google Analytics and Google Optimize. Then we'll cover when to run A/B testing, what you should track, running multiple tests on the same page, and we'll talk about when to start making changes to your site, and finally, how long you should be running tests. So be sure to check out the links that we've left in the description, hit the subscribe button and notification bell, and be part of the conversation. To begin creating tests for your site, you'll need to connect Google Optimize to your Google Analytics account. Now, once that's done, you can start collecting the information that you need to make decisions about the posts and pages that you'd like to test. MonsterInsights makes it easy, allowing you to connect your WordPress site with Google Analytics so you can set up all kinds of advanced tracking features. Plus, by using the MonsterInsights Google Optimize add-on, you can quickly connect Google Optimize to your site and begin testing right away. If you'd like more information about setting up Google Optimize using MonsterInsights and running A/B tests, be sure to check out our step-by-step articles. We'll leave links in the description. To run effective A/B tests on your site, you'll need to make sure that you have enough traffic coming to the page that you'd like to test. Otherwise, your test will not be accurate. Now, a good rule of thumb is to run tests on pages having at least 1,000 page views per month. Now, on your WordPress dashboard, take a look at your MonsterInsights overview report. Then scroll down and you'll see a list of your website's most popular posts and pages. If you have a Plus license or higher, you can see your top 10, 25, and 50 landing pages. The default view is set to the last 30 days, but you can edit the date range by clicking on this button at the top. And you can use these reports to see which pages and posts have the most traffic, and from that you can determine which one to run an A/B test on first. There's a bit more to split testing than just randomly choosing an element to change and seeing how it affects your visitors' behavior. Once you've determined the page or post that you'd like to test from your top landing pages, then you'll need to choose which element to test. So, for example, you could test your call to action buttons, forms, headings, or images that could be impacting conversions. Let's suppose that you'd like to track form conversions. Well, if you have MonsterInsights Pro, you can track form conversions by installing the Forms add-on. Then you can see how many clicks or form submissions that you're getting before running an A/B test. Now, when you run your test, Google Optimize will give you the number of clicks and conversions for each version of your page. Now, to see call to action clicks, you'll just need to use custom events. If you have MonsterInsights Plus, you can use our enhanced link attribution feature to do that. We've left a link in the description for our step-by-step tutorial on how to set that up. And if you want more ideas on what to test on your website beyond CTAs and forms, we have a list of 60 A/B testing ideas that you can run today to boost your conversions. Now, it's best if you only test one page element at a time. That way you can zero in on exactly which changes are increasing your conversion rates. But you can run multiple test variants in the same page to see which converts best. And that's called a multivariate test. So, for example, in a standard A/B test, you might test which call to action performs best, start now or start today. But using a multivariate test, you can also conduct tests using different colors and change the banner at the top of the page. Here's a diagram that shows you how a multivariate test works. Here the user is testing 3 different images, A, B, and C, and whether an H1 heading performs best or an H2. Google Optimize will tell you which one's working the best. Setting up multivariate tests on landing pages is easier because they have minimal page elements and clearly defined call to actions, making the results easier to read. So you can test things like form length, images, headlines, call to action buttons, button text, and the color and placement of the button. Now keep in mind the more elements that you try to test at once, the longer you'll need to run the test to get the best results. Also, by using MonsterInsights custom link attribution, you can click tracks on your call to actions all the time. With these events set up, you'll be able to see clicks on your CTAs and view them right in your WordPress dashboard in the top outbound links report. If you'd like to see a step-by-step tutorial on exactly how to do that, be sure to visit the link in the description on how to set up Google Analytics event tracking in WordPress. You'll need to run your test for at least a week or 2. Just keep in mind that the biggest mistake that you can make while running your A/B test is to make changes before the test is completed. If you do, you'll skew the results and your reports won't be accurate. Okay, so once you've successfully run your first A/B test using Google Optimize, don't stop there. Once you know what works on your site, you can start running new A/B tests to see if you can make things even better. Just be sure to keep track of your changes, data, and results. The easiest way to keep all of your analytics in one place and track all of your data and discover new testing ideas is to use MonsterInsights. And right now, you can visit the link in the description to get a discount on Monster Insights. If you'd like to learn more about growing your website and building your business, then click one of the videos on your screen now.